Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics. Make sure the battery is above 20% so the watch won't shut off mid-fix, and verify touchscreen input works to isolate the button issue. Next, power it down to prevent shorts, then remove any bands if they block access. Use a microfiber cloth to protect the screen and set tools nearby. Once done, inspect around the button for debris or corrosion with a soft brush and compressed air. This often reveals the simple cause quickly. You now open the case. Unscrew the backplate while keeping screws organized so reassembly is exact, because different screws can vary in length. Once open, examine the button mechanism, the rubber plunger or metal spring, and the PCB contact for bent parts or gunk. If you see grime, clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft swab, and gently realign a displaced spring. Make sure to let everything dry completely before reassembly to prevent short circuits. You finish by reassembling in the reverse order, seating the plunger and spring correctly and tightening screws snugly, but not fully over-tightened, since strip risk is high. Once sealed, boot the watch and test the button repeatedly to confirm tactile return and electronic response. If it works, run any built-in diagnostics to be sure. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset only after backing up data. If that fails, the button assembly likely needs replacement or professional repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.